Wind Energy by Rachel and Lucia. Wind energy is made by wind turbines, which are composed of the blade, the tower, the generator, and the power plant. The tower. The tower holds the blades up higher to be an unturbulent wind. The tower creates the height so that the blades can be closer to the faster wind. It holds the structure together, and it can also cost up to half the budget for a wind turbine because it's so expensive and it's so big. The blades. They're long, knife-like, and fiberglass shaped. When in use, they spin as the wind turns them. They turn the generator, creating the power. The blades are very durable and are built to last a while because it's very expensive and ineffective to have to replace the blades a lot. The blades are attached to a big box called the nacelle. The nacelle holds the rotor and the generator and all the other things that the wind turbine needs. The generator, it's inside the nacelle, as you can see in the diagram. It's at the back because it has to be turned, and that is where the energy is created. Once the turbine creates the energy, it is sent back to the power plant, where they use special machines to increase the amount of energy that was produced, and then they send it to our homes.
On top of each turbine is a box known as a nacelle. Attached to the nacelle are three propeller-like blades that connect to a rotor. Also on the nacelle is an anemometer to measure wind speed and direction. The wind direction rotates the nacelle to face into the wind. The energy in the wind, called kinetic energy, turns the turbine blades around the rotor, creating mechanical energy. The rotor connects to the main shaft, which turns inside the generator housing. Here, a magnetic rotor spins inside loops of copper wire. This causes electrons inside the copper to flow, creating electrical energy, what we call electricity in our daily lives. For this wind turbine, a step-up transformer inside the nacelle increases the electrical generation from 690 volts to 3,400 volts. The electricity generated then travels down large cables from the nacelle through the tower and into underground cables. The cables take the electricity generated from all the wind turbines to a substation. Here, a step-up transformer again increases the electrical output. A transmission line connects the electricity output at the substation to the electrical grid serving communities throughout the region.
Thank you for watching, and now you know how energy is produced.